Hello again, everybody. Now today I am standing in front of the Centurion and I have a Chevy Lumina door propped up against the front bumper. Now why would I do such a thing, and what are we doing here today? Now you've probably seen the thumbnail or the title or whatever, but okay, I was playing around on YouTube and I saw several videos that just kind of popped up that were saying, they were shorts basically. Let's say you lock your keys in your car and you have to get into your car, of course. Well, according to these videos, you can take the handyman's secret weapon here and you can get into your car if you lock your keys in it. Now, we're going to test that today because I already know what's going to happen or what's not going to happen. And I know why. But I think it's important to put this video out there to show people the truth about this, do our little test, and then I'll get into some details to explain the results. Okay, so first off, they say what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take your tape and tape several times across, put some down like that and some like that. I don't think it really matters that much. It's just, okay, personally I think a lot of the taping has to do with preventing you from seeing inside the car, like if somebody else's arm is reaching up and hitting the button. But okay, we're going to tape on here. This is the way I saw it. This is a pattern I saw somebody use. I don't think I'm going to use that much duct tape. I don't want to use it all up. I'm going to try this, and I'm going to put all my weight down and try and see if I can't get this thing open. Because with the way that the window works, I don't think there's any possible way that this could possibly work. This is a scam, I'm telling you. Wait. Okay, so why was I saying that this wouldn't work and that I knew that it wouldn't work? One thing is the motor. Let's flip our window down here, or our door down here. And okay, you can see here, this is our window motor right here. And I have it hooked to the drill to power it. And you can see it, what it does, it moves. There are arms inside there and there is a track. You can kind of see the track inside there a little bit. Okay. When the motor turns right here, that moves these arms and pulls the track down. You can see the track right there. Okay, so this whole system is designed not to be pushed down for security reasons, and because you don't want your window over time while you're driving, you don't want your window vibrating down. So these are made not to come down. Not only is the design of the arms and the spring and everything designed to hold enough pressure where you're not just going to push it open, but the motor can have a fairly easy time opening it. But the motor itself, there's one right here. Okay, this motor here. Okay, if you pull this motor apart, and when I put it back together, I'm going to have to hold the brushes closed. But as you see right here, that is what's called a worm gear. This interfaces with a round gear that's inside here that's hooked to this right here. Okay, so there's a gear inside here spinning, turning this gear. Okay, but the thing is, this gear has regular teeth, just like this, that are on here, which means that when this is spinning, it's pushing those teeth around like this. So, and also this is a metal gear. So, this is not going to strip out, but you're going to have to force this to turn hard enough to skip past these, because this will not be forced to turn by pushing this. There's no way. So, you cannot force this motor to turn by putting pressure on it. In other words, the videos that you've seen where people do that and they put tape on and they yank the window down, that is fake. And if they really do yank their window down, they have just broken something. If you lock your keys in your car, either call a locksmith, call somebody that has an extra key, or sometimes you can get in here and you can pry the back of the door open a little bit, get a rod in there, and you can push your button or pull the little lock lever, and you can open it up that way. But you are not going to force this window down. It's not going to work. But anyway, if y'all like this kind of a tip, or if you like seeing me kind of test something like this, then just leave me a message down in the comments if you enjoyed this. And if you would like to see me test more like automotive little hacks like this, or tool hacks or something like that, just let me know if you'd like to see something like that. That's kind of fun. And you know, maybe we'll visit some more of these. Yeah. Anyway, one more thing before I go. Marley just had to be on camera. She just could not stand it until I got her on camera. She's a little camera hog is what she is. She's a good girl though. I figured I'd just let y'all get your Marley fix in today. I guess that's going to be about it for this little video. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.